Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a radio to steering wheel controls. Many modern vehicles come equipped with convenient steering wheel buttons that allow you to control your audio system without taking your hands off the wheel. When upgrading to an aftermarket radio, you'll typically need a special interface to retain these handy controls. This device acts as a translator, ensuring seamless communication between your car's existing wiring and your new head unit. The core component for this connection is the steering wheel control interface, often called an SWC interface. This small electronic module is specifically designed to interpret the signals sent by your vehicle's steering wheel buttons. It then translates these signals into a format that your aftermarket radio can understand, allowing functions like volume up, track skip, and mode changes to work perfectly. There are many different types, so choosing the correct one for your car is crucial. Installing the interface involves a few key steps. Begin by carefully removing your old radio and accessing the wiring behind the dashboard. You'll connect the interface module to your vehicle's wiring harness, typically using a few specific wires like power, ground, and the steering wheel control input. Then, connect the interface's output to the designated steering wheel control input on your new aftermarket radio. Always consult the detailed instructions provided with your specific interface for accurate wiring. After the physical connections are made, some steering wheel control interfaces require a programming step. This might involve setting small dip switches on the module or going through a learning process where the interface learns your car's signals and your radio's commands. Once programmed, thoroughly test each button on your steering wheel to confirm that all functions, such as volume, track, and source selection, are working as expected with your new radio. Enjoy the convenience of integrated controls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.